Hello, student. Hello, student. Can you is my voice is audible to you? Welcome to Filo. Nadine, uh, you can reply in the chat also.
I think so.
Hello.
No.
Am I audible to you? Hello. Hello. So, your question is to combine a multiple cell into one combined cell. Which of the following do you use? So, actually, this is question based on Excel, right? So because in Excel we have, let's say, different cells and we have just combined all the cells. So what we are doing, we are using the merge and center button. Okay. So that will be our correct answer. Like if we have like this type of cells and we just want to merge these three cells, so we just use the merge command. Now we are getting this after merging. Are you able to understand? Can you please confirm? Hello. Nadine, can you please confirm? Are you able to understand this thing? I just write this. That that will be our answer. Do you have more questions?